So the video that you have just finished watching is of the Bluegreen Club 36 one-bedroom deluxe. That's a renovated room. It's about 710 square feet. You can see the floor plan layout here if you visit bluegreenvacations.com. Next, we're going to show what the map looks like if you stay at this property, how far away you are from the strip, and some of the major attractions. So Bluegreen is located on Tropicana Avenue. It's a few blocks off of the strip. This is where it's at on the map. Just to give you an idea, the Bellagio fountains are here. The Cosmopolitan Hotel is across the street from that. Planet Hollywood, I believe, is here, somewhere in this area. Yeah, it's across from the Grand Chateau. And so it's not recommended to walk. I've done it before. It is doable, but the hotel actually provides a free shuttle until 11 p.m. It runs every 30 minutes with the exception of the noon hour and the 7 o'clock hour. So you have plenty of time to, plenty of opportunities to catch the shuttle to the strip, catch the shuttle back from the strip. You don't have to pay for parking because that shuttle is free. But this is about the distance from the hotel to the main attractions on the strip. And obviously, if you want to go north of the strip, where the Link is at, where the Strat is at, Trump Hotel is at, the new Resorts World, you can do that. If you're looking for the Welcome to Las Vegas sign and some of the other attractions, you would head south on the strip. That's the New York, the Luxor Hotel, the Mandalay Bay. And this is actually the Las Vegas sign, but they don't provide a shuttle to those locations. That's just if you're already on the strip and you catch the bus or the monorail. If you have a car, those are just other options for you. And so if you want to book this room and you're a timeshare owner and you're using your points or your TPU and making an exchange with RCI, the resort code for this room is A851. So you can find it on RCI. It is a Gold Crown resort, so it's one of the highest rankings that you can get in RCI. All of the room types are available on RCI. You could end up with the one bedroom limited. You could get the one that you just watched, the one bedroom full. And then if you're on RCI, you can also book a 2-bedroom and have both of those 1 bedrooms. Remember, we're looking at the 1-bedroom deluxe. And so if you're a Bluegreen owner and you want to use your points to book that week, the 1-bedroom deluxe during ultra high season for 1 week will cost 12,000 points. During white season, which is the lowest possible season, it'll cost only 7,000 points for a full week. And then you can also just book a couple nights as an owner. The other way to book this hotel for the travel reward trackers is through Choice Hotels. It's labeled as an Ascend hotel, so that's one of the top brands that you can get in Choice. Choice is actually known, I think, more so for their economy and budget hotels, but the top 3 now with their Radisson acquisition, I would say Ascend and Cambria. Those would be the top 3. And so if you wanted to book this hotel through Choice Hotels, I just picked 1 week out, and obviously you can always choose a lower number of days. But these are the rates for 1 week if you're booking through Choice Hotels, just for this random, these dates that we've chosen. The room that we just looked at would be $1,376. If you have accumulated points with Choice Hotels, you can also use your points. And for that same room type, it will cost 30,000 points per night. So that's also an option. If you're not a timeshare owner, you're not a Bluegreen owner, and you don't want to book through Choice Hotels because maybe you don't need a full week or you just would rather not book direct through the hotel, remember you can always book timeshare properties if you're willing to do a tour. Every timeshare company has, usually they call it a deals page or an offers page, where if you pay, in this case, a couple $100, $249, you'll get a 3-night stay and you could use it at Club 36 and they'll give you $100 back. So for essentially $150 total, that's not per night. If you're willing to do the timeshare tour during your stay, you can get a 3-night stay for $150. And so if you want to learn more about timeshares, how to use your timeshare, how to trade your timeshare, figure out which rooms are the best ones to utilize your points and your deposits at, definitely check out gatesonthego.com.